It is episode 61 of the Urban Pharmacy podcast, and I want to just say welcome back. It is episode 62 of the Urban Pharmacy podcast. Welcome back, my friend. I hope you are having the best day ever. Hey, before I introduce today's guest, I want to be sure that you know this month, March 2022, marks 9 years of advocacy with Beautycounter. I have been with Beautycounter for 6 years and working alongside this mission-driven brand to help change the face of the toxic beauty industry and get better legislation passed at the same time as making my skin look good and feeling confident in my cosmetics. So I want to tell you about the celebration that's happening this month. For anybody that wants to enroll as an advocate, if you want to advocate on behalf of the beauty industry and do this with me, you have the opportunity to do so. It is episode 62. Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy podcast. I am super happy to have you here and really hoping that you're having the best day ever so far. Before I dive into today's guest, I want to be sure that you know this month, 9 years ago, marks the first year anniversary of Beautycounter. And what did the world does that mean? That means that it's been 9 years of advocacy work and 10 laws passed for better beauty. And I am just so happy to be a part of it. I have been working along this mission-driven brand for 6 years now and want to invite you to do the same with me. Whether it be that you want to be an advocate and really raise your voice and lobby for better beauty laws, or maybe you just want to share clean beauty or enjoy a discount. It is up to you. Maybe you're looking for a way to add an additional stream of income. Again, you have the opportunity. Hello. Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy podcast. It is episode 62, and I am super excited to have you here. Hey, I hope you're having the best day ever. Before I introduce today's guest, I want to let you know about something that's really, really on my heart and exciting in terms of the beauty industry. And I want to share some good news. It's March 2022 right now. And as we record this podcast, and it marks the 9-year anniversary that Beautycounter has been in existence. Beautycounter is the mission-driven brand that I work alongside to help change the face of the toxic beauty industry, to help get better laws passed, and to help others switch to safer. And I have been doing this for 6 years. Again, the company has been in existence for 9 years. And guess what? There has been 10 pieces of legislation passed since Beautycounter started its work. This is anything from getting microplastics out of the ocean and pieces of plastic out of the landfill, toxic chemicals out of our kids and children's and babies products, all the way to a cleaner and safer fragrance act, you name it. I want you to hop over to my Instagram and check out all the laws that have been passed since we've been doing our advocacy work for the last 9 years. And I also want to invite you to be an advocate alongside with me. This month marks a really special occasion because, again, it's our birthday. And if you want to enroll as an advocate, you can do so. And guess what? You get $153 worth of free skincare if you do, and you enroll with the starter set. So all you have to do is click down in the show notes to check it out, and message me on Instagram if you have any questions about joining as an advocate. This is a big deal. We need your voice. Every dollar counts. So the more people that can know about clean beauty and safer beauty, the more that the industry will shift to a better place. And again, you are invited. I would love for you to join our Team Rise, so we can rise together as a collective and feel more confident in our skin, use clean beauty, and change the industry for good. All right. So today's guest is my friend, Brittany Jaroudi. She is incredible and is changing so many people's lives. Guess what? She runs a plant-based cooking YouTube channel named the Jaroudi Family. She has developed hundreds of delicious, easy, and family-friendly recipes focused on a whole food plant-based lifestyle. She has a master's in education and a certificate in plant-based nutrition from Colin Campbell Center for Nutrition studies. Currently, she is the co-leader of the Pittsburgh Plant-Based Support Group and is the National Health Association Board of Directors. So make sure you listen to this episode because listen, Brittany has been cooking. She and I cook so very similarly, free of salt, sugar, and oil as much as we possibly can. And she has some health. She has some health history and her life has changed because of this way of eating. So just like the beauty industry, we are not protected in the food industry either. I think we know that, right? So this is all about trying to live a more holistic life. And if we can change what's at the end of our fork and what is in our homes and what we put on our body, the world is going to be a more beautiful place. Make sure that you check the show note link to get into Brittany's private Facebook group so that you can start living a more healthy and holistic life as well and eat more plants. Okay, without further ado, here is Britt.